Now see that beta. This is introduction. Subtraction of a 2-digit number from a 3-digit number without borrowing. Means without taking borrow. Simple subtraction is there. Okay. This is your on page number. See that on which page number it is. 52 page number. And intro first exercise we are marking it as exercise 3.1. यूनिट प्लेस पर क्या है बेटा देखो 234 में से व्हाट यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 21. 4 में से 1 गया तो कितना बचेगा 3. 3 में से 2 जाएगा तो कितना हो जाएगा 1. और 2 में से यहाँ कुछ नहीं है 0 है तो 2 - 0 क्या बचेगा 2 ही रहेगा. बी पार्ट में देखो आप 1 में से 0 गया तो क्या बचेगा 1 बचेगा. अब सपोज आपके पास 4 पेंसिल थी. आउट ऑफ 4 पेंसिल 2 यू हैव यूज्ड. ओके देन हाउ मनी पेंसिल विल लेफ्ट विद यू. ओके 4 - 2. 4 fingers you just take. Okay you just do in this way 4 fingers. Now 2 fingers. Okay close them. How many fingers will left with you 2 fingers. तो आपके कितना 4 - 2 कितना आ गया बेटा 2. अब now 5 - 0. Here nothing is there. So 5 - 0 is equal to 5. Okay 5 में से all the 5s are safe with you. Then what will be your answer 5. See that one more 9. 9 - 7. देखो what you will do, how you will perform it. See that if you are not able to do you just draw 9 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay out of 9 what you will do, cross this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 we have cut. How many are left with us. कितनी बची हमारे पास में 2. So write 2 here. 9 - 7 2. In the same way again you draw 4 lines. Out of cut 1 line what will remain 3. And the same 6 minus nothing 0. What will come as answer 6. Okay in the same way proceed to the next one now. 9 - 4. Okay 9 - 4. So what will be 9 - 4 is always 5. And I taught you the method how you will perform that. Okay then again 9 - 5. Again I am drawing 9 lines here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And what we have to subtract 9 - 5. 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 or 9. And out of 9 see that how many lines we have cut. 1 2 3 4 5. How many will left with us. See that 1 2 3 4. कितनी बची हमारे पास में. How many will left with us 4. So your answer will be here 4. Now 8 - 0. 8 - 0 8. So in this way you will complete. So 4 part I have done and 4 part I am leaving for you. So in this way this page rest of the question you will perform yourself. First you will complete in your this book and then you will complete all the parts in your copy. Okay all the exercise by mentioning the exercise, by writing down that subtraction of a 2-digit number with a subtraction of a 2-digit number from a 3-digit number without borrowing. This was your exercise 3.1. Now I am proceeding to the next one. Okay and this is exercise. Again exercise written na, but here number is not mentioned, so I am marking it as 3.2. It was first one was 3.1, second is 3.2. Now see that 4 - 5. आपके पास में you have 4 chocolates. But you would like to give somebody 5 chocolates. Is it possible? No. Then what you will do? You will take one more chocolate and from where you can take? From here you can take. Okay. आप यहाँ से लेंगे एक और चॉकलेट, इसके पास में 8 चॉकलेट हैं। जब आप इसके पास में 8 चॉकलेट हैं, यहाँ से यू विल टेक 1 मोर चॉकलेट, तो यहाँ पर यूनिट प्लेस पे तो आपका 4 है, ठीक है, और टेंथ प्लेस पे आपको क्या मिल जाएगा, 1 आपने इससे लिया, कितना हो गया आपके पास में 14। अब इसने आपको एक चॉकलेट दे दिया, यहाँ टॉप पे लिख दो उसको, 14 हो गए यहाँ पर 14। ओके, नाउ सी दैट इसने 1 चॉकलेट ही हैज़ गिवन टू यू। ओके, सपोज 4 वॉज यू एंड 8 वॉज अनदर वन, सो 8 में से 1 विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड, हाउ मच विल रिमेन हियर 7। ओके, अब नाउ सी दैट 14 minus 5. Out of 14 you have to subtract 5. What you will do? Draw 14 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Out of 14 cut down 5 sorry. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count the rest of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much will remain here? 9. Here it will be your answer 9. In this way you will do. Now 7. यहाँ पर कितना बचा? 7 is here. Okay. And from 7 can we subtract 9? No. Because for the subtraction always we can subtract from a greater number to a smaller number, not from a smaller number to a greater number. So what we can do, he has having 5 and nothing we have to subtract from here, from 5. So what we'll do, we will take carry from here, 1 we will take as carry. तो उसको वहाँ पर क्या लिख लेंगे, इसकी 10th place पर लिख लेंगे. So it will become 17. यहाँ पर तो यूनिट प्लेस पे तो 7 है, यहाँ पर क्या 1 और ले लिया हमने, तो क्या लिख दिया 17. अब यहाँ 5 नहीं बचा, इसमें से हमने 1 ले लिया है, वी हैव टेकन 1 आउट ऑफ दिस, तो व्हाट इट विल रिमेन 4. 5 minus 1 4. So 17 minus 9. If we will draw 17 line and out of 9 line we will cut, so how much we will remain, how many lines we will remain, 8 lines. Okay, and then here what will lastly 4. So what will be your answer? 489. Okay, now see that again one more question we are doing. 1 minus 2. 1 is a smaller number and 2 is a greater number. So it is subtraction is not possible. So from this number you will take 1 here. You will take 1 here. If we will take 1 here, what it will become? 11. So write it 11 here. Okay. Now from this 4 you have taken 1 as carry. So what will remain here? 3. Now from 3 7 can be subtracted? No. So what you will do? Take carry from this one. So it will come in its a 10th place. It will become 13. It will become 13. So and here from this 7 you have taken carry and that one is gone to the this place as 1. So now how 7 minus 1 will become 6. 7 minus 1 will become as 6. Now see that. Okay, 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Now from 13 you have to subtract 7. 13 minus 7, 6. And here nothing from this number we have to subtract. So it will become as 7. 669 will be your answer. Okay. Now come to the next question. Again here see beta, 8 minus 7. 8 is greater number and 7 is a smaller number. So the subtraction is possible. 8 minus 7 will be 1. 8 minus 7 will be 1. Now again see here 2 and from 2 we have to subtract 6. It is not possible. Suppose we went to the market and we are having 2 rupees and when we would like to take a eraser or pen, at that time its cost is 6 rupees. So it is possible that we are having only 2 rupees and we can take a pencil of 6 rupees. Not possible. So what we will do? We will go back home and bring how many more rupees we will bring? 4 more rupees, so that it will be equal to the 6. So here it is not possible to go back. So what we will do? Here from somebody we will take money at that time. See that here is 2 and we have to subtract 6. So this number having more things, and he has from nothing we have to subtract from here. So you just take 1 as a carry, okay, and that one will come here. So what it will become? 12. What it will become? 12. ये क्या बन जाएगा आपका? 12. Okay, and now here from 5 1 you have taken out, so what it will be? 4. Okay, now 12 minus 6 will be as 6. 12 minus 6 will be as 6, and 4, here 4, nothing we have to subtract, it will be 461. Okay, maybe all of you are understanding how we are doing these questions. Okay, now again proceed to the next.